everybody. Looking forward to seeing you in school on Wednesday. It'll be nice to actually do some proper teaching and have a proper conversation, which will be good. I've set only a couple of hours work this week, so I'll have our 2 hours in school. We don't want to overload you. I'm sort of also very aware that your working patterns are going to have to change. You might be in school a lot this week. You might not be able to talk apart from Wednesday. But what I don't want to do is to kind of make it too much for you. So kind of I've released all the work on Monday, and it's all due in on the Thursday. But obviously, if you can get it in sooner, that's even better. If you'll have a look at it for Wednesday, then obviously if there's any questions, we can have a chat about those there as well. I'll put this in the post, but your little Google sheet where you've been kind of putting ideas and things we could talk about in those sessions, I've just updated that to kind of say this week what we reckon we'll look at, and then in 2 weeks' time what we'll put there as well. It's really, really flexible. I've got no idea how much we get through or how it will work particularly, but we'll basically have a list of topics, a list of ideas, and we'll kind of start trundling through. If we end up spending the whole 2 hours looking at one or two little things, absolutely great. If we get through loads, that'd be useful as well. I'm kind of quite precious about this time we're going to have together. So whilst it's probably really important we do some modelling, explain some stuff, and give you an opportunity to do a few examples, sitting there for like an hour in silence answering questions, we could do that at home. So we'll kind of try and be clever about getting you to a place where you're confident with those questions, and then I can always provide some more resources later on where you can practice to make sure you're really happy with it. If you've got things you would like to bring in, like, I've tried this question, it doesn't work, do it, that'd be amazing. What I am aware of is obviously kind of we aren't going to be able to kind of hand each other pieces of paper and things like that. So if you can say email it beforehand, or if it's a bit of work that you've already uploaded and done, you would have to talk about just a quick email so I know kind of what I'm doing. I can prep things beforehand. That's really useful. It'd be nice to do some new teaching as well. Just going over some key ideas. So I think particularly the radioactive decay parts and some of the stuff about specific heat capacitance, specific latent heat that you in essence taught on your own. I want to be able to go through that as well so we can kind of get the full show and put in some of these extra pieces that we haven't quite touched yet. Work this week then is a bit of revision moments, which I know will make you very happy, and then just a little experiment actually. A guy called Frizeau was measuring the speed of light. This is part of the Turning Points optional unit. I know we haven't officially decided we're doing that, but it's a nice little experiment. And measurements of speed of light are a really nice way of looking at how physics has developed over time, because measuring time, particularly the really short periods of time you would need to measure how quickly it's take light to travel distance here on Earth is really difficult. So it's quite a neat little practical. So it's just an opportunity to have a read up about that, watch a couple of videos, make some notes, and then a short question. As ever, if you need any help, don't hesitate to get in contact. Monday I'm in school working with the Year 10, so I may not be responding that quickly, but I'm available for the rest of the week. Okay, see you all on Wednesday.